Why do 70% of people yawn when they see someone else yawning? Is there a secret yawn club? Turns out, yawning is our brain's way of saying, "Hey, I'm with you." Dumb. It's a form of social bonding and empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors their action, like a friendly, "I'm in this too." Scientists call this contagious yawning. It's not just humans. Even animals like dogs and chimps do it. So next time you catch a yawn, just know your brain is being super relatable. You're literally wired for connection. Amazing, right? Stay curious, friends.